You've decided that a low-calorie diet is the right thing for you. Now, how will you make this work for you? There are several things that you will want to take into consideration when it comes to these diet plans. First off, realize that you are committing yourself to a lifestyle change, one that will take practice and dedication to pull off. No diet is easy. But remember this. For this sacrifice you gain added years on your life, health, and more energy, as most people who lose weight will do all of these things and more. Now, how will you begin to manage your low-calorie diet? First, consider one of the most important things to you. That is your nutrition. You can't lose weight or become healthier if you are not eating the right foods. In fact, you will find that you just can't lose weight effectively if your body is struggling to maintain its health and well-being. Therefore, take some time to take into consideration not only low-calorie foods but also low-calorie foods that are nutritiously balanced for your health. You may find that you are not getting enough nutrients into your system with a low-calorie diet. Vitamins and minerals are very important not only for health but for weight loss too. If you find that you can't get enough in your restricted diet, you may want to consider adding supplements to your diet. Talk to your doctor about any medications you may be taking and also determine the best quality supplements on the market before selecting them. Your low-calorie diet really can work if you dedicate the time and energy to making sure that the food that you do consume is both low-calorie as well as high in nutrients.